Hey everyone, Justin at Tourig with a quick and exciting product feature. But first, if you like our videos, like our content, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Now, let's dive into Dometic and all of their products that we sell here at Tourig. The first and most popular Dometic item that we use in our Tourig builds is a CFX3 Fridge Freezer series. These come in many sizes, but our favorite go-to size are the 35 and the 45 liter options. These fit perfectly in our very own mobile galleys and pretty much anywhere else in the van. They come in handy for keeping food and drinks cold on those long trips and are very easy to operate. All you have to do is set the temp and you're good to go. They also have dual zones to keep some items colder depending on where you place them in the fridge. Our next series of products that we love to offer to our van owners are the Dometic Hydration water jug and the Dometic Hydration faucet. These are great solutions for a portable water setup. If you're looking to save space on plumbing and don't want a permanent water storage setup in your van, you just need a tank to hold the water and a faucet to plug in and turn on. It's literally that simple. Great for any setup, from a fully built rig to a DIY overlander. This is an affordable and accommodating system that everyone will love. No camping experience is complete without a camping chair and table, and Dometic has you covered on both. With their very own line of folding camping chairs, camping bench, and table, you can easily and quickly set up base camp after arriving at your destination. The final Dometic product that we offer here at Tourig is their power bank system, which can help charge your devices and even power your CFX3 fridge. With 40 amp hours, these are essential for any off-grid trip where you need to keep your devices charged up and ready for whatever comes your way. If you like any of these products that you just saw and want to learn more about them or grab them for your own van, don't hesitate to come into our retail space or check out tourig.com.